Wirex Crypto Card review for beginners. Is it worth it? Now, if you're getting started with crypto and want an easy way to spend your digital coins like cash, the Wirex Crypto Card might be what you're looking for. In this video, we'll break down what it is, how it works, and whether it's a good choice for beginners. Let's get into it. Alright, so the Wirex card is a crypto powered debit card. It lets you spend both cryptocurrency and traditional money like USD, EUR in stores, online, or anywhere that accepts MasterCard or Visa. It works just like a normal debit card, but behind the scenes, it can convert your crypto into fiat instantly when you make a purchase. Okay, so now let's talk about what's good about it. So it's easy for beginners. The app is simple to use and makes managing crypto less scary. Spend crypto like cash, no need to manually convert before shopping. And also you can earn crypto rewards up to 8% back in Wirex token depending on your tier. It supports multiple currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. Free standard account, no monthly fees if you're just starting out. And you can also top up your account with a bank card, crypto wallet, or bank transfer. Now, you do need to watch out for a few things. So there are fees. So crypto to fiat conversion has fees, and ATM withdrawals may have limits as well. Reward tier to WXT, so you'll need a whole Wirex token for max cashback. No customer service can be slow, so some users have reported delays in support and not available everywhere. Card access depends on your country or region, so it's easy to use, but be sure to read the fine print. So is Wirex good for beginners? Yes, Wirex is great if you're new to crypto and want a simple way to use your coins for everyday spending. You don't need to be a crypto expert. Just download the app, order your card, and start using your crypto like a regular debit card. But if you're looking for low fees and big rewards, compare it to other options like crypto.com or Coinbase card first.